In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin chats on Facebook Messenger. If you've pinned a conversation to keep it at the top of your inbox and now want to tidy things up, this quick walkthrough on iPhone and Android will help you remove that pin without losing any messages. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your recent conversations. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your chat list on the main screen. Pinned conversations always sit at the very top of this list, above your other chats, and they're marked with a small pin icon so they're easy to spot. If you don't see a pin icon next to any chat, that simply means nothing is currently pinned. Once you've found the chat you want to unpin, press and hold on that conversation. This is a long press. Touch the chat and keep your finger on it for a second or two. You should feel a small vibration on some phones or see a menu slide up or appear right on the screen. If the chat opens instead, just go back, then try pressing and holding again a bit longer. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Unpin or Unpin Conversation. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but they do the same thing. Tap that option. As soon as you do, the chat will no longer be fixed at the top. The pin icon will disappear, and the conversation will return to its regular place in your list, ordered by the most recent activity. Keep in mind, unpinning does not delete any messages or media. Everything in the chat stays exactly the same. It's only the position in your inbox that changes. If you still see the chat at the top after unpinning, give the app a second to refresh, or pull down on the chat list to reload it. If you don't see an unpin option in the menu, double-check that the chat actually has a pin icon. Only pinned conversations show that option. And if your menu looks different from what you expect, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version from your device's app store. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger, locate the pinned chat at the top with the pin icon, press and hold, then tap Unpin. Simple, clean, and your inbox is back to the way you like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.